Welcome to the CoPOS Employee Notes and Messages video. There are two ways to communicate with your employees in CoPOS. The first one is member notes. Notes are set up for one specific employee and may be displayed or not displayed upon clocking in. Clock-in messages are set up to be viewed by all employees upon clocking in. Acknowledgments of messages can be viewed to see who got the message, quite literally. Let's go ahead and set up a note and a clock-in message. First, the note. From the main menu, we will go into the employee database, option 4.11. We'll select Edit and enter number 100, Cheney Wilson. Let's arrow over to Save, Continue, Enter, then select 3, Enter Edit Employee Notepad. Let's say we want Cheney to straighten out the end caps when he is in next. If it's important to know who the note is from, include it within the note itself. When you're done, press the Escape key, then select Save Changes. Display this note when this employee clocks in, we'll select Yes. Date to start this note displaying at clock in, it's pre-filled with today's date, so we'll go ahead and press Enter. OK to save, yes, enter. When Cheney clocks in next, he will see this note. Let's escape all the way back to the main menu. We will now set up a clock-in message for all employees to view. We'll go to 10.1.10. Let's select Edit. You will need to enter a default password. We want to let everyone know there are treats in the break room. Press the Escape key. We'll select Save Changes. The purge date is defaulted to 1 week from today. We'll press Enter to accept this. Changes saved, Enter. Now, when any employee clocks in, they will see this message. Let's have Cheney clock in and see if he sees both the note and the message. We'll go back to the main menu, type Clock, and enter Cheney's employee number. Cashier, clock in, enter. First, the note. We'll press Enter. Cheney will have a chance to acknowledge both the note and the message so that they don't appear in the future. We'll select Yes to acknowledge the note, enter. Now, the message created for everyone appears. We'll acknowledge the message as well. Yes, enter. Now we can see who has seen the clock-in message by going into 10.1.11. We'll select Acknowledged Messages. It's a brand new message, so Cheney is the only one at this point who has had a chance to acknowledge it. Okay, that about wraps it up. To get back to the main menu, we'll type Q for Quit, Yes, Enter, Enter. Thank you for watching the CoPOS Employee Notes and Messages video.